Hello everyone, this is question number 13. These questions belong to Unit 10 Artificial Intelligence. This comes under machine learning topic. Question is, overfitting is expected when we observe that. So here we need to identify that which options explain the problem overfitting. There are two kinds of problem in machine learning, overfitting and underfitting. Overfitting is basically what? With training iterations, error on training set as well as test set decreases. Here you can observe that they were talking about training and testing data. Here I am assuming that you have some basic information related to machine learning. Whenever we try to train our machine, basically what we have done, we have divided our data in two types. First is training data. Let's suppose we have a data set of 1000 rows. Let's assume that, and we are consuming 900 rows to train the data to machine learning. This is our machine learning algorithm. We have applied that and we are training our machine with this number of data. Next, remaining 100 rows we are using for testing purpose. So what is overfitting problem? Let's suppose you have trained your machine. This is your machine. You have trained that, and when you check the parameters and when you check your machine performance on the basis of various parameters called accuracy, scalability, and time taken to solve a particular problem. Here let's assume the accuracy. When you train your machine on basis of this training data, which you have been split into two parts, one is training, another is testing, you give all these details, all the training data, and you train your machine, and then you check accuracy of the algorithm and you get 90% accuracy. Sometimes you get more than 95% accuracy. So here your machine is not aware of this testing data. Let's suppose that your machine don't know about these 100 rows of data, and when you test your machine with this 100 rows or with this unseen testing data, then the accuracy will suddenly drop to 90% to 50%. Did you observe what is happening here? You are training your machine on the basis of this data, and then your machine gives you 90% accuracy. But when you give your machine the unseen data, then your accuracy will drop down to from 90% to 50%. So this problem is basically called overfitting problem. So here, by reading the options, you may find out that in the second option they have written with training iteration, errors on training set. So here you can see if accuracy is high, that means the error will be it will be decreases. But in the test set increases, like when you are testing your data, then accuracy will become 50%, and that means the error percentage will be 50%. Here the error percentage will be 10%. You can see by observing the second option, which is clearly explained the overfitting problem here, that with the training iteration, your error in the training set will decrease, and in the testing the error will be increased. So correct option for this question will be option number 2.